Hi, my name is Aaron Grushow, content creator and real estate agent. Welcome to 1291 Will Geer Road, otherwise known as Trust Ranch. Trust Ranch stands for the Ranch Upon Sacred Territory, which is just this, the mesa in Topanga, California, situated in the middle of the Santa Monica Mountains. This property has it all. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Follow me. One of the first things you notice when you enter the property is this expansive great room with soaring wood ceilings and panoramic views of the Santa Monica Mountains. This room is excellent for gathering, whether it be sitting on the couches, enjoying a nice conversation by the fireplace, playing the piano. This is a truly wonderful room, and one of my favorite aspects are the floor-to-ceiling doors and windows that just bring in tons of natural light, really brighten and provide an airy feel for this amazing room. Plenty of things to mention in this wonderful rustic kitchen, starting with the main focal point, the oversized center island. The countertops are dark, they're earthy, they're rich, they really feel like something that has been excavated from these grounds. And if you look around, you'll notice the custom cabinetry and the wonderful custom tiles that fully surround the kitchen, act as the perfect background while you're cooking your meal and enjoying the panoramic views of the outdoor grounds. Notice the ceilings, they're white, they're bright, they're airy, and a perfect contrast to the barn doors, which open up to the media space. On our way to the library loft, we'd like to quickly point out 2 guest suites, 2 of the 6 bedrooms in this expansive property. I call this the library because it used to have books in it, but truly it is a multi-purpose, multifunctional room. From a table here where you can get down with your arts and crafts, to a sitting area, have a conversation on the couch, or upstairs in the loft area with bookshelves where you could curl up with a good book. As I mentioned earlier, this is a multi-purpose room, and the current owners love to use that space for wine tasting, tasting the bottles of wine that they create straight from their vineyard on the property, which we will see later, but for now, let's head over to the primary suite. Yes, it is still going. Once you set foot in the primary suite, you feel an immediate shift of energy. This is clearly an area for Zen. Speaking of Zen, in this corner, we have the private sanctuary. I like to call it the Zen room, where you could do yoga, you could meditate, you could take a nap on this incredible day bed, which is truthfully one of my favorite moments in this entire property. A Zen room for us, but it could be a nursery or an office space for you. And adjacent is the sleeping area. The first thing you see when you wake up is this amazing, colorful fireplace designed by local artists here in Topanga. Once you step foot on this magical patio, you get a great sense of how truly nestled we are within the Santa Monica Mountains. 360-degree views, magic. Now, I could talk about it all day, but I think it's time for me to show you the rest of the grounds. Since we've got 17 acres to cover, I'm gonna be doing it on wheels. That's right, not only can you walk, you can bike or ride your horse. I'll see you at the stables. Welcome to the horse stables and riding ring. Not only an excellent place to board all of your horses, but perfect for large-scale events, which this property has hosted plenty of. A favorite for many who visit Trust Ranch, our very own vineyard. I'll see you there. This vineyard features a handful of grape varietals, but mostly Cabernet Sauvignon. In its current state, it produces about 12 cases a year, which isn't a ton, but if you're not an avid wine drinker or grower, it is perfect and definitely the way to go. And last but not least, the 1,800 square foot open floor plan, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom guest house, and the outdoor pavilion, which hosts the solar panels and aerial silks. And that wraps up our tour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you at the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.